Hybrid work is the new normal. Working from home, working in the office. This model offers great promise. It suggests a world where work fits into life, not the other way around. For many, this has been a welcome change. It allows for more control over our schedules. It can reduce long commutes. It can give us more time for family, friends, personal interests. This new way of working is not just a trend. It is a fundamental shift in how we think about our careers and our daily lives. The office is no longer the only place where valuable work happens. For Generation Z, this shift is especially important. This generation entered the workforce during a time of great change. They have different expectations about work. A paycheck is necessary, but it is not the only thing that matters. They seek purpose in what they do. They want to see how their individual tasks contribute to a larger mission. They want to feel that their work has a positive impact on the world. Fulfillment is not a bonus. It is a core requirement for their professional lives. They are not just looking for a job. They are looking for a place where they can grow and feel valued. To make flexibility work, we must understand the core needs that drive human motivation. Psychology tells us there are three universal needs: autonomy, competence, relatedness. When these three needs are met, people thrive. They feel engaged, motivated, and fulfilled. A successful hybrid model must satisfy all three for every employee. Autonomy is the most obvious need met by flexibility. It is the power to make meaningful choices about your work, choosing a location, having a say in the projects they work on, freedom to approach problems in their own creative ways. Micromanagement is the enemy of autonomy. When leaders dictate every small step, they crush motivation and innovation. Trusting people with responsibility empowers them. It signals that their judgment is valued. This sense of ownership drives engagement and job satisfaction. Competence is about growth and mastery. Gen Z is eager to learn and develop new skills. They want to know they are getting better at their jobs. A hybrid environment can either help or hinder this. If people are left alone without guidance, they may feel stuck. They might not know how to improve. To foster competence, organizations must provide clear feedback and development opportunities. Online training, mentorship programs, challenging assignments. Feeling progress is essential. It proves work is a journey of continuous improvement. Leaders play a crucial role in making hybrid work successful. They must become architects of engagement. The first step is to establish clear and fair guidelines. This is not about creating rigid rules. It is about providing a predictable framework that everyone can rely on. For example, a team can agree on core collaboration hours. These are set times when everyone is expected to be online and available for meetings. Outside of these hours, people have the flexibility to structure their day. This balances teamwork with individual autonomy. It prevents confusion and frustration. The next step is to shift the focus from hours worked to outcomes achieved. Judging performance by who is online the longest is a relic of the past. It encourages presenteeism, people pretending to work. Instead, leaders should set clear, measurable goals with their teams. When everyone knows what success looks like, they can focus their energy. This outcome-based approach builds trust. It shows Gen Z that contribution matters more than hours. It also reduces the pressure to be always on, a major cause of burnout. Recognition must become more deliberate in a hybrid world. In the office, a hallway "great job" can make a big difference. Remotely, that praise can get lost. Leaders must create systems to make recognition visible. Do it in team meetings. Do it through dedicated channels on messaging platforms. Do it with small, meaningful rewards. The key is to be specific. Don't just say "good work." Explain the impact. For example, your analysis on that report helped us secure a new client. That connects effort to team success and makes people feel seen. Social connection does not happen by accident in a hybrid model. It must be intentionally cultivated. Organizations can start by creating structured moments for informal interaction. Start meetings with a 5-minute personal check-in. Set up virtual donut chats that randomly pair colleagues for brief, non-work conversation. For new hires, use a buddy system. Pair new hires with seasoned employees so they have a go-to person from day one. These small rituals build the social fabric of a team over time. Virtual connections matter, but in-person time has unique power. Plan occasional, purposeful gatherings, not for routine status updates that could have been an email. Design events for activities that benefit from face-to-face interaction, like strategic brainstorming, team-building exercises, and celebrating major milestones. Make events engaging so commutes feel justified. Respect comfort levels. Don't force attendance. Make events compelling. Support professional growth. It's a pillar for Generation Z. They want clear paths and visible progress. Make career paths transparent. Show skills and experiences needed to advance. Provide accessible learning opportunities. Offer a library of online courses, subscriptions to learning platforms, virtual workshops. This shows you care about long-term development, not just output. It makes employees feel they are growing with the company. Mentorship fosters connection and competence. Pair junior employees with experienced colleagues. Mentors can offer career advice, help navigating organizational politics. Psychological safety. Manage mentorships with regular video calls in hybrid settings. Implement stretch projects to build real-world skills. Discuss learning goals during performance conversations to reinforce shared growth priorities. The conversation about the future of work must be about more than just logistics. It must be about people. Companies like Atlassian and Zapier show work from anywhere can work. They build culture around trust, transparency, clear communication. They invest in tools, processes, asynchronous collaboration. They document everything so information is accessible to all regardless of time zone. Flexibility without a strong, supportive culture is an empty promise. Engagement is the engine of a flexible workforce. To win Generation Z's loyalty, treat them as whole human beings. Work is one part of a rich, complex life. The goal of hybrid should be well-being, not just productivity. Freedom plus clear structure empowers people. Autonomy. Strong social support. Developmental support. Create environments where people do their best work. Human-centered approaches help employees and the business. Lower turnover. Higher innovation. Stronger bottom line. The path forward is clear. A fulfilling job blends freedom connection, autonomy to manage life, opportunity to master new skills, a sense of belonging to a supportive community. Organizations that embrace this will thrive. Design hybrid policies to meet human needs. Give people choice, provide clear goals, set guardrails, celebrate successes, foster social bonds, invest in personal growth.